Be in bed. Be in hospital. Be in prison. Be sent to prison. Bear in mind. To do research. Have breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper. Have great fun. Have toothache. Go travel, come, arrive, by bus, car, bout, ship, plane, train. Go by water, air, sea, land. Go to sea. Go home. Go to school. Go to church. Go to bed. Go shopping. Go sightseeing. Go to town. Keep house. Leave school, hometown. Make use of. Make friends. To pay attention. Play chess, football, tennis, hockey. Speak English, the English language. Study mathematics, history, the history of art. To take care. To take part. To take place. To tell lies. Watch television.